Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel Gamaarz. Today, we have an exciting product review for you, a comprehensive review of the XYZ Auto Repair Tool Set. As an avid do-it-yourselfer or a professional mechanic, having a reliable and versatile auto repair tool set is crucial for tackling various automotive tasks. One such option that has gained attention in the market is the XYZ Auto Repair Tool Set. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore the key features, performance, durability, and overall value of this tool set. The XYZ Auto Repair Tool Set boasts an extensive array of tools designed to cover a wide range of automotive repair needs. The set includes a variety of wrenches, sockets, pliers, screwdrivers, and other essential tools. The tools are made from high-quality materials, promising durability and longevity. One of the standout features of the XYZ tool set is its impressive performance. The wrenches and sockets fit snugly onto bolts and nuts, providing a secure grip that minimizes slipping. The ratcheting mechanism in the sockets operates smoothly, allowing for efficient and precise maneuvering in tight spaces. The screwdrivers have durable and comfortable handles, enhancing grip and control during use. Durability is a critical factor in assessing the value of any tool set, and the XYZ Auto Repair Tool Set does not disappoint. The tools are constructed from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, known for its strength and resistance to corrosion. The sturdy construction ensures that the tools can withstand the rigors of regular use in a demanding automotive environment. The tool set also comes with a durable and well-organized carrying case, providing protection during storage and transportation. The case is designed with labeled slots for each tool, making it easy to keep everything in order and locate the right tool quickly. Versatility is another strong point of the XYZ Auto Repair Tool Set. With a comprehensive selection of tools, it accommodates various tasks, from basic maintenance to more complex repairs. Whether you're tightening bolts, loosening nuts, or tackling intricate tasks, this tool set has you covered. The inclusion of both metric and standard measurements further enhances its versatility, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicle makes and models. Considering the quality of construction, performance, and versatility offered by the XYZ Auto Repair Tool Set, it represents excellent value for money. While it may have a slightly higher upfront cost compared to some budget alternatives, the durability and reliability of the tools justify the investment in the long run. Additionally, the comprehensive nature of the set means you won't find yourself needing to purchase additional tools for most automotive tasks. The XYZ Auto Repair Tool Set stands out as a reliable, durable, and versatile option for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics. Its high-quality construction, impressive performance, and comprehensive tool selection make it a valuable addition to any automotive toolkit. While the initial cost may be a consideration for some, the long-term benefits and the assurance of having a dependable set of tools for various automotive repairs make it a worthwhile investment.